The 10 best anti-cancer foods that you should eat, without any doubt. Welcome to a journey of wellness and vitality. Today, we are going to explore a powerful list of nature's bounty, the 10 best anti-cancer foods that you should eat without any doubt. Picture this, a plate of food that doesn't just satisfy your hunger, but also helps fortify your body against cancer. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's not. It's a reality you can create with the right choices. Let's start with berries. Berries are small but mighty. They're packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals, reducing your risk of cancer. Include a handful in your daily diet for a delightful disease-fighting punch. Next on our list are cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower. Their sulforaphane content is a potent compound known to halt the growth of cancer cells. These greens aren't just for garnishing, they're guardians of your health. Garlic isn't just a flavor enhancer, it's a lifesaver. It contains allicin, a compound that kills cancer cells, and boosts the immune system. Don't shy away from that extra clove of garlic. It's a small step for great health. Tomatoes are another fantastic anti-cancer food. They contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that's been linked to reducing the risk of prostate cancer. Add tomatoes to your salads, sandwiches, or even enjoy a glass of tomato juice. The fifth food on our list is spinach. This leafy green is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that remove unstable molecules and prevent them from damaging your cells. So, make like Popeye and eat your spinach. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice, is our next warrior. Curcumin, found in turmeric, has been found to disrupt the spread of cancer cells. Add a dash of turmeric in your meals for that golden glow of health. Green tea, packed with antioxidants, also makes the cut. Its high concentration of catechins has been shown to kill cancer cells and stop their growth. So brew a cup of green tea and drink to your health. Flax seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients. They contain lignans and omega-3 fatty acids that reduce the risk of colon and breast cancer. Sprinkle some on your cereal, yogurt, or smoothie for a nutty flavor and nutritional boost. Citrus fruits are next up. Oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits are packed with vitamin C and bioflavonoids, which inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Enjoy them fresh, or squeeze them into a refreshing juice. Finally, let's talk about fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that have been linked to a reduced risk of colon, liver, and prostate cancer. Include them in your diet for a heart-healthy, cancer-fighting boost. Remember, these foods are not magic bullets, but part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle that can reduce your risk of cancer. So, let's eat well, live well, and stay well. Because health is wealth, and you deserve a life full of vitality and wellness.